In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Ninjatrader add-on. Now to do this, first you want to get the add-on. So you want to download it and then prepare it. Now there's a bunch of different websites where you can do this from and where you can of course get your Ninjatrader add-ons. So just make sure the website is actually trusted. Now one of the most common ones is going to be from trusted developers on the Ninjatrader ecosystem. So that's what this looks like over here. It's Ninjatrader ecosystem, and as you can see, you can then go ahead and search for things like, for example, if I do EMA and press search, it's going to pop up like a bunch of things over here. And of course, there's like a lot of things. And of course, some of these are going to be paid. Some of these are going to be free. So it's up to you, whichever one you want to choose. If I click, for example, on this one, you have to, of course, agree. And then from here, it's going to basically show you kind of how you can get this. Some of these have free trials, etc. So it's up to you how you obtain this, but that's how you can get your NinjaTrader add-ons. You can, of course, create them yourself as well using AI or something similar if you want to, but of course, do this at your own risk because it may not do exactly what you want it to do, okay? So make sure you actually test things before in a simulator before you actually use them on your real accounts. So once you've obtained these, once you get your add-on, which usually is going to be a zip file, what you're going to do is go to NinjaTrader, of course, the desktop, and then go to Control Center and click on Tools up top. Then you want to go to Import, and you want to select this one, which is NinjaScript add-on, so the version in the middle. You want to click on NinjaScript add-on, and it's going to pop up on your screen in just a few seconds. And then from there, you'll be able to basically add on the NinjaTrader add-on. So from here, I'm going to go to downloads. And as you can see, I have a sample indicator over here. I'm going to just click on it and click on open. Once you do this, it's going to tell you that using third-party add-ons has the potential to adversely impact the performance and stability of your NinjaTrader installation. And of course, it says you have to do this at your own risk and only with those obtained from trusted sources. Okay, so if you click on over here, for example, it's going to open up a website where, of course, you can kind of read more about this as well. So again, make sure it is from trusted sources. Now, once you do this, click on the OK button. And then for me, it already has this file. I'm just going to hit the yes button. For you, it's not going to say this. You have to wait for a few seconds, and then you're going to get a pop-up message. There we go, saying that those add-ons have been successfully imported. And of course, all the scripts are now in here, so we can just go and basically add them to whatever you want because you've added the specific custom add-on. So that's how to get and add add-ons in NinjaTrader. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.